Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We're kicking it old school today. My first few videos, a lot of my videos actually, in the beginning, we're right here. I'm still moving. I'm still in the process of moving. It's gonna be a while. So I'm gonna be jumping all around for wherever I film these videos. So today, we have a heavy FabFitFun box. And it's so beautiful for fall. There's like some pomegranates and pumpkins on there, some pretty leaves. I haven't opened the box yet. So, are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. We have a trusty wine tumbler. It was missing for a while. It was in our pole barn. But we found it. It's washed. It's filled with wine. And we're gonna do this. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. You can subscribe to it for the whole year, or you can do it per season. So if you decide you want to just do spring and not do the summer box or the fall box, whatever, you can do it that way. And it's $49.99, or you can use my referral code down below and get $10 off your first box. I think I would get some credit too if you use that link, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so I'll put that link down below. Otherwise, if you do it for the whole year, it's $180 for 4 boxes. And this is the fall box, you guys, because we're finally getting into fall. Here we go. I'm going to open it up. Super excited. So when you sign up for the year as well, you can pick 5 of the items in your box. If you don't, I think you can pick maybe 3 items in the box. So it's very exciting. Oh yeah, and you can put you can do add-ons to the box too. I forgot that I did an add-on, so that's exciting. So the first thing is, it's all mine. This was my add-on, and it is a Mind Tan. It's for tanning. It comes with a tanning glove and the tanning foam, I think. Slide hand into your bronze-on applicator mitt. Pump small amount of self-tan foam onto your mitt. I don't really need this anymore because it's coming into fall, but I wanted to try it, so excited. So that's my add-on. So every FabFitFun, they do like a little magazine. This month it is Padma Lakshmi. I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, but she's beautiful. Where do I know her from? She an actress? I think she's an actress. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it does all the different options of what you could have picked for your different items. And it tells you like all the prices and stuff, what it's valued at. Yeah, let's jump into it. And it usually sends you like some coupons and things for different subscription services. Yeah. Bright Cellars, discover wine you love. I have been wanting to try that. Not right now, because we got a lot going on. Again, I did it with it closed, okay? In my intro, when you guys see me laughing with my wine, it's because I forgot to open it. So, yeah. Alright. First things first. Glossmetics. And this is the hair removal device. This is one of the options you could pick. This device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unwanted hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. Let's open that up. Okay, I got it open. So it comes with the hair removal device and a battery, and I think that's like to clean out the head there. So that's kind of cool, you know, use it for all your unwanted hair areas, you know, wherever. So I thought that was nifty, and that is worth $59.99. So that pays for your box right there. This one thing. So my lighting's not great because, like I said, we're just shaking things up. But you know, I think you guys will just get the gist. Got that. Yay! All right. Next. So 3 of the things in here are going to be a mystery, but I picked 5 of the things. I'm super excited. So this next thing is Mason Top's Mason Jar Hydration Kit. So it's basically a glass water bottle with like, you know, rubber around it, whatever. Comes in this cute cardboard box. Ooh. Alright, so it comes with this little like koozie to put it in. Ooh. But look at that. Mason tops, it is glass. Hear that? And then on this side it has all the ounces, cups, ounces. Right? Ounces? Yeah. Ounces, not cups. Well, this says 2 cup. That's why I got confused. But that's really cute and nice. I will use that because for some reason I'm really weird and I don't like to drink out of just normal cups. Like they either have to have like a straw or, you know, like a cup like that. I don't know. I guess it's the kid in me. I really like sippy cups. So this will be nice. Oh, you push the button, I think. No? It's not a button. There we go. That's super nice. I'm excited. I just prefer things with lids, okay? I mean, I'm prone to spilling things. I literally wear a bib at work when I eat lunch because I just get stuff on me. I thought I'd wear this kind of fallish top today for the fall box. Alright, let's find that one. That is worth $35. Ditch the plastic and opt for this sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. It's going to hold 20 ounces of iced coffee is what it's going to hold. Alright. Okay, this is one I have not picked. Ooh! Okay, Daniel Stone Perfume, but it is room spray. So let's open that up and see what that smells like. That smells really good. Okay, you know what it smells like? It smells like my Aunt Kelly's house, which none of you will know what that smells like, but like back in the day, like 4 houses ago for them, that's what their house smelled like. It smells really good. Room spray conjures a complex sandalwood fragrance with a spicy cardamom top note. The body of fragrance is an amber sandalwood complex enhanced by a light floral orchid accord. That's a lot of words. The dry down of amber musk supports the fragrance mango blossom and strawberries into a base of vanilla and musky notes. Use liberally. Spray as much as desired to enhance your environment and ambiance. So that's really nice. I like that. That was like one of the mystery ones. And let me see if I can find it in my little book. Let's see. I might not be able to. Let's see. What's this one called? Santal Noir. So there was another one that was pumpkin spice room spray, you guys, that we could have gotten. Oh well. $36. $36 for that room spray. So, good deal. It smells really good. Okay, next! Moving right along. I'm trying to go fast for you guys. I know some of my videos are long. Next is a necklace that I picked, and it is heavy duty. Oh, there's plastic around it. Okay, hang on. Okay, I got the plastic off the necklace. So, the necklace is by Jenny Bird. And that reminds me of Forrest Gump because the girl's name was Jenny, and when she wanted to get away, she would say, "Dear God, make me a bird so I can fly far, far away from here." And my friend Sheena and I, who I used to work with, we used to say that on busy days at work. "Dear God, make me a bird." Do you remember that if you watched this video, Sheena? So it's really pretty. Let me zoom in on it. So it's got this really pretty, it's really heavy, like kind of silvery pendant there. And then this nice chain, and then it has this other chain here, and this is my skin breaking out from drinking wine. You're welcome. It just happens, okay? Happens with all alcohol, but you know, it's not gonna stop me. So this is really pretty, and I think this one was worth $110. $110. But it's really simple. I think it'll go with a lot of things. Yeah, I think that's super pretty. Yay! Okay, moving along. I'm sorry, it was $115. Alright, next we have Beauty Papaya Antioxidant Shower Gel, which is one of my mystery items as well. Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. Pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. I love aloe vera, you guys. It's so good for sunburns. So I'm super excited about that as well. I'm always excited about everything I get, really, in these FabFitFun boxes, because everything just smells really good. There's a bubble. Yeah, that smells really good. That smells like fall. I'm excited. Take a drink every time I say excited. Excited. Alright, let's see how much that is. 8A. $30. Who knew? Who knew shower gel would be $30? Not me. $30. This scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients. Wonderful. Next, we have, I picked these out, Juice Cleanse, exfoliating sugar cubes, basically, that you use in the shower. Because who doesn't like exfoliation? I like exfoliation. If you can hear my husband mowing, that's him. That's him out there. The shower cubes are, in this book, Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. Cleanse yourself with these delightful sugar cubes while leaving behind a yummy scent. $16. They smell super, super good. I can't describe it. The scent is called Juice Cleanse. I don't know. Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. It says use twice a week. It smells like melons. Almost like a watermelon-y. Well, hey, watermelon-y. Just kidding. Okay. Ooh! Crease Release. The Laundress New York Classic removes wrinkles. This was a surprise one as well. Super excited for this because I don't iron. The only time I iron is the night before, sometimes the day of. We have to go to a wedding or something and my husband has to wear a dress shirt that wasn't hung up. Super excited about this. In a world of overpacked schedules, ironing isn't always an option. I can say that again. This quick fix to easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics keeps you in your dressing area to look fresh every morning and in your laundry room to aid ironing. Spray item from 6 inches away, safe for all fabrics and furnishings. Jazzed about that. Not excited. Jazzed. Alright, last. Let's see how much that is. $16. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, last but not least is the thing I was probably most excited about because I know it's a big trend and I'm excited. Except, it might come off. There's a smudge on it. It's like almost like words were on there, but it's gonna come off. It's a backpack. Look how cute. This is by Botkier, New York. How cute that is. Flips open, has a cute inside, has a zipper inside. I'm bad at this. And then it has these 2 zippers on the outside. You can put your lipsticks or something in there, your keys, whatever. Super cute. Has a handle, has the straps. I'm gonna put it on. Hang on. I feel like I'm back in school. Can you see? See my cute backpack? It's like a little mini backpack. I'm so excited. See, this would have been great. I was supposed to go to Niagara Falls in May, but you know, the world shut down. This would have been great for Niagara Falls, but it didn't happen. It's okay. It'll be fine. Bigger things are on the horizon. But you see that little smudge on there? It almost looks like words. But I can get it off. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I just ordered a shirt from Etsy that says, "It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine." Which I plan on wearing on moving day because I guarantee I will not be fine. So that was it, you guys. Let me tell you how much the backpack was. I don't know what's wrong with me. Botcure New York Trigger Backpack. This multifunctional backpack holds all the essentials in style. $100. $100 for that backpack. So 100, 115, 60 bucks for the hair removal thing. I mean, right there, you got good value. So, yay! That was my FabFitFun box, and it just makes me excited for winter. This is the third box I've gotten. Technically the fourth. I'll leave my other video, FabFitFun videos, up here in a link, and you can click on that if you want to see my other unboxings. I have all my other links down below for Stitch Fix, Wantable, Ipsy, Adore Me, my Poshmark. I have all that down below as well if you want to try anything out and use referral link to get some money off. But yeah. If you liked this video and you like unboxings, subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up if you like this video. And I will see you guys next time.